Hey everybody, it's Joe Graham, real estate guy here in Naperville, Illinois, and it is February. It's the first week of February 2025, and this is a perfect time, right on the cusp of our spring market, to give a 2025 housing market prediction for Naperville, Illinois. Okay, so in order to do that, what I wanted to do today, it's going to be a little bit longer of a video. I'll try to make it as quick as I can, but we're going to add some context to where we've been in the past to give us a good, reliable picture of where we're going to go so that you can make a good decision whether you're going to be buying or selling this year. Stick with me here. So let's start with understanding the median price. So median price just means a price at which a house lists. That means in the marketplace, about 50% of the listings that came in the market priced above it, 50% priced below it. We're also going to talk about the number of homes that came to market in each of these years here behind us and the number of properties that sold. So for this example, we're talking about Naperville, Illinois, single family homes, okay? So in 2018, we're going to represent 2018 as what we're going to call a normal market, okay? So normal market, 2018, $435,000 was the median list price of homes in Naperville, Illinois. There were 3,617 houses that came for sale and 1,805 sold. Okay, so this is what we call a balanced market. Okay, so this is very much a balanced market, not a buyer's market, not a seller's market. We had enough inventory for the demand, and again, 50% of the houses never even sold that year. So now this is what we call balanced and normal. In 2020, we had 455,000, so a modest jump. Median list price, and then the number of houses that came to market was a little bit fewer, 400 fewer, 3,259, still ample supply. Of those, 2,010 actually sold. And if we remember what happened in 2020 in March, everyone was scrambling looking for, they were at Costco looking for toilet paper and things like that. And then in 2021, we had the vid market. So March 2020, everything shut down. People were hunkered down, not really sure what's going to be happening in the world. And so people pulled their houses off the market, or they just deferred whether they were going to be coming on the market or not and making that move. So really, the people that moved in the second half of 2020 were largely people that just had to make a move. Okay, and we still had 3,259 houses come for sale. Now in the back half of that year, after summer, closer to fall, we saw a massive spike because things kind of normalized. The sky wasn't falling anymore, and people put their houses on the market to make changes. They realized they could live kind of anywhere with work from home, etc. And so we had a massive spike of inventory. In 2021, we had the COVID housing market where everything went crazy. People were lining, if you were in the market, you probably remember lining up outside of houses with multiple offers, giving them everything they could possibly imagine as a term to win a deal. Those people right now are pretty happy with the value of their home, though, even though it felt like we were overpaying for sure. 2022 hits. Now we see a massive jump between these 2 years after the initial hit of COVID. 455 to 599 for the average single family home median list price. And then we saw a reduction in the number of homes sold by almost over 1,000 homes sold. So prices went up, fewer homes came to market, and even fewer houses sold. So what we're seeing here is that inverse cycle here where our demand of a normal market of 3,617 houses for a balanced market to feed the normalcy of demand was cut down by 1,400 just in Naperville. Go to 2024, our prices went up even more to 690, and we had fewer houses that came to market, half of a demand, okay? Then we had 1,293 houses actually sell. Guys, if you're buying a house, if you're thinking about buying a house, and you're waiting for interest rates to come down, and you're waiting for prices to come down in Naperville and the surrounding communities, you got to stop waiting, okay? Prices are not coming down. Barring any other massive event that happens in our economy, prices are going to continue to rise. And many people are expecting a plus 5% to 10% increase in single family home value in Naperville alone. So prices are going to go up. Buyers, sellers, 2025, prices are going up big. We're going to have more houses come to market because the amount of fatigue that's happening here with these people that are pent up waiting and waiting and waiting for something to happen, I think this number is going to go up as well. And then that's going to be a trailing number, but there's going to be more houses sold. So if you're a buyer, stop waiting. At some point, rates are going to just settle at 6.5% probably this year, are the predictions that I'm hearing. So 6.5%, it's a new normal, guys. Prices are going to go up 5 to 10%. The number of houses that you have to choose from is also going to improve, which is awesome. Big complaint by people. I'm not moving because what I want doesn't exist on the marketplace. We're going to see more houses come for sale, more sales. So if you're a seller, your prices are going to keep on going up, which is good for you. If you're a buyer, stop waiting. Got to jump in right now, make your purchase, make your selection, and in a couple of years, you're going to see that house price is just going to continue to go up. I hope this information was helpful. My low-tech whiteboard approach to identifying some of the key numbers here in the past to predict where we're going to go forward. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you at the next one.